comfort of all on board, we kindly request that you use headphones when listening to anything on your devices. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a great flight.
Nyabuya Jozi. Zayibona ngale East London first. Mpami. Mina niyazi ngiyamcheka, ngithi nina ningisheka. Ngiyamcheka. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm cool anything about. We take break. There's a flight team. We take break. Yes, essentially. Check her first. Check her first. Much love, thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are saying ukuthi Nkosi yami uScott Maphuma ngafunza yinye kumbe into from uSweet Guluva, because uSweet Guluva shem ava wathanza ama-fans akhe ngisho wathiwa njena baqala ukuthi bamdansele badansele uyadansa uthatha ama-picture ama-video like he just doesn't mind. So people are saying ukuthi ayi uScott Maphuma kufanele afunze njena kuSweet Guluva. So when they live video uScott after i-crowd vele yafa performa yathula yambuka njena nsona lapha ku-live bekahawulisana athulile athena akafuni ukukhuluma because angakhuluma kuthiwa ukhuluma kabi. Bekathule namuhla kuleya live bana abaningi baziwa bambuta ukuthi hayi bo bafo alright nje, but honestly speaking uGuy vele yathenga ukuthi abuke laphana ku-Sweet Guluva ukuthi waphatha njani ama-fans akhe. Phela lesi sikhathi ungabona ngazuthi abantu bayakhetha abathanza zibani abamthanzi, but it's not even about that. Uyakhona Sweet Guluva akuphatha kahle ama-fans abo akhe, uyabathanza uba-treat like friends, not even fans. so Scott maphuma nje naye ufuna aqale afunze ayekelele attitude yakhe because bantu batomkhansela for real. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.